Okay guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to secure your Facebook account so that it doesn't get hacked easily, or probably it doesn't get hacked at all. So in these few steps you just need to do some few things so that your account is very secured. So just stay tuned with me as I take you through on how to have a very secured Facebook account. And this also can cut across just Facebook. You can use this pattern also for all Meta products, including Instagram. So do well to like and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. So all we're going to do now is just to click on this your profile picture. When you do that, you go straight to your settings and privacy, this place where it says settings and privacy. So you click that, then you go straight to the settings. So when you do that, you allow it to load while it comes up. So that's great. So as you can see now, we are in the settings and privacy panel. So you click your privacy center here, so which I'm doing right away. That's good. So okay, all good. So now this is privacy center for Meta. Now this is not just tied to your Facebook account only. As you can see, you can manage your privacy settings for your Facebook account and also your Instagram account. So just like I said, this can be used also to secure your Instagram account. But for the purpose of this video, we are just going to be staying on our Facebook account. So I'm going to be showing you how to secure your Facebook account so that it can it will not be easy, or probably it will not be possible to be hacked by hackers at all. So all you just need to do now is to go to your common privacy settings. When you click that, good. So you click your common privacy settings, it takes you to this place. Then you click manage accounts, manage in account center. That's this place right here. So you do that. Now okay, this is where the big deal lies. Now okay, you have so many options on how to to further secure your account. Firstly, I will advise that if you have a Facebook account with a very weak password, you have to change the password over here. So what's a weak password? A weak password is a password that doesn't really meet the requirements for a strong password, which is having less than eight characters. So I will personally advise that your password should have eight more than eight characters, and not just that, inside of your password you should have a capital letter, and not just that, inside of your password you should have an unusual character. What I mean by unusual character, like the dot, at, slash. So that's it. And inside of your password, it should also be a mixture of letter and a and numbers. So which is what makes it very strong. So I won't be doing that since I already have a very strong password. So I wouldn't need to change my password. So we'll just go straight to the second thing. So the second thing is two-factor authentication. So what's two-factor authentication? Two-factor authentication is okay, for instance, if you want to log into your Facebook account, you are required to log in with your password. So for instance, if a new user wants to log into your Facebook account, and when he logs in with a particular password for that account, now after logging in, there will be also a requirement for you to also access the Facebook account. So you are not just logging in with your Facebook account, also there is also a requirement for you to also access that account. So that's why it's called two-factor authentication. So, and this is a very strong and powerful security feature for your Facebook and Instagram account. So all you just need to do now is to click the two-factor authentication. So when you get there, now you can see that this is my account over here. So I'm going to click this click the account, which is the account I want to set it up for. So now it's asking me to input my password, so I'm going to just do like that. I'll do that right away. So I've done that. I've inputted my password. So it's going to open a new face for me. So now this is it. Two-factor authentication is on already. So now you have different options. Number one option that is here is for you to get a text message. Now if 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 you click on this text message, what will happen is after logging in your Facebook account with your password, there will be a text code sent to your number. That's the number connected to your Facebook account, so which you'll be required to what, input that text code after logging in into your Facebook account. So that's for this. Then you can also have other additional method like um, authenticating with an application. So which I will not really advise you to go for it for this one. Okay, you can also have another like with security keys. So these are just for like backup to back up your account. So my recommendation is for you to go with the text message. So you just click the text message for your account. Okay, so as you can see, you said you added, that's your phone number, that's my phone number rather, to your account, and enabled it for two-factor authentication. So you can see my account has already been added for this phone number and is enabled for two-factor authentication. So what does this mean? This means that if somebody aside myself tries to log in into my account, if he goes through with getting away with my password, he will need a code that is being sent to this number for him or her, for whoever the person is, to be able to access the account completely. So which may not be possible because I am the one always with my phone, and my the only one that have access to my number. So now this is that for your security, for making your security very strong on your Facebook account. So you just, that's that for that. Then lastly, the third thing, which is the last thing you are going to do, is to go to login alert. So login alert enables you to to get an alert when you are being logged in, or when somebody else aside yourself log in into your Facebook account. So why does this help? This can help you know if um, an hacker is trying to get access to your Facebook account. If an hacker is trying to get access to your Facebook account, now, when you find this out, all you just need to do is to go straight to Facebook support and help and report the situation to them, and right away the access will be retrieved from the person. So this feature is very, very beautiful, because why, it Facebook is going to send a message to either your Facebook, through your Facebook, or your email, notifying you that, okay, there's somebody trying to infiltrate your account. So all you just need to do is to deny access and or report it to Meta immediately. So these are the 3 steps on how to make your account very secured, to make it impossible for hackers to get to you. Thank you. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video, do well to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.